Powerful. I can see Makobe Emusa Sugbon Lasio. Yeah, nama sa ugbeko. Mate jesi be nuka be gbogbo nyuare lasio. Good energy. Georgina. Georgina. Nema gbolonya deka of kude agbelasian shia magbolokobe. We know that heaven and earth were concept created by the Christians and the slave masters for people to behave well. But the people that would behave well would go to heaven and enjoy good life, forever, everlasting life, with everything good, joy, happiness, whatever you want. But now people behaving bad will be restless and remain in fire forever and all those things that we know. So people with the fear, then they will try to behave well. So as moral values were coming to an end in the Western societies, then they had to come up with this. So moral values and ethical values would be kept in a way that people do good and stop doing the evil things that is against humanity in those Western society. Or spirituality is the devil. That's what we are doing is evil. And if we go on like this, then we will go to hell and so on. That's also how they threaten us. And this fear is still among us. And this fear is every day is filled by Christians, Muslim, Jewish, and all these religious people. So let's say that the Abia Agoglo Manya Nanasika Aku Achomagbo, because this fear and this trauma has been passed down from generation to generation. And as Abele Inagblone no ele nenebe hawojima egomanye be enyaya ele jimene choblema ele susumene ele gbogbomene edembe nuwo menye ntigbale menye nchilambe nuwo nye au gbogbom nuwe wonye ta makosebe nyanu yemi onebe kunyowu alo koso. Yes. Ewa be yo chok kunyowu alo koso bla mi abo lupon bre mi ape gbogbo sike na be mi atenwa vocho nenembe enuo gbo elegoma serari. So as long as we are kept enslaved and the spirit is enslaved, then the vision, we don't have no vision. And we always be following what people are telling us. And that's why we are still asleep. Now, when it comes to our traditional spirituality, it values a lot the respect of earth and the fact of life to be continuously renewing itself, or maybe renewing is not the good way to say it, but life is going on And even though our flesh bodies do not last long or come to an end, our spiritual souls and spirits and the energy that goes with it, it's still going on. And that's what matters. You know what I'm saying? So there is the big difference between the conception of what they call the afterlife and the one that all African spirituality is about. And I also say that since some people say that this world is coming to an end, then they don't value the world, like they don't value nature, they don't value the soil, they don't value earth, and they see it as something that is coming to an end, that will be destroyed. So the way they see it is that, okay, since this world, let's say Agbenuke, Agbeya manye na neke wonyo. Agbeyoma, agbe gala gbesi agodo blomola ema. Agbe gala gbesi agodo blomola. So it means that they don't value this life as something that is important. So, or let's say that you well, I'm sure that you understand what I'm trying to say. So they don't value the environment, they don't value nature, and we are the one making nature and the environment being bad. And then when a chidodo, play anigba, play all these environmental catastrophes and natural disorders are coming, then are we not the one to blame? Because on them no kunyi fambe so those people with religion, in a way we can blame them for their vision, because their vision is also contributing to enslave or to keep enslaving our minds.